My name is Mike Johnson, and I'm going to show you how to survive on a deserted island. It's a well-known fact that more boat crashes every day than a baby's born. I'm going to swim over to that deserted island to show you how to survive. I barely managed to survive, and I managed to keep my jacket all dry. It was well worth it. This looks like a perfect area to find the walkie stick. I'm gonna go find one. This is a perfectly good walkie stick here because it's nice, straight, and sturdy. And it has a little split in the top, so I can either turn it into a torch or use it to hold something. We should probably get moving. Is that what I think it is? Oh, with these precious materials from Mother Earth, I can turn it into a soda canteen like this. I'm just testing out the durability here in this can. Now I need to take some of this sand here and use that sort of a sandpaper to smooth out my final product. There we go. The seaweed I picked up earlier, I may be able to use it to fashion sort of a Starbucks logo to remind me of home. And there we have it. I gathered some materials here. As you can see, this should be enough for my shelter. It's getting dark, so I must hurry. I wounded myself. I must persevere. I'm just putting on the finishing touches of my shelter. At the cost of my finger, I managed to make this shelter in 5 minutes. It shows that anybody can do this with the perseverance. I managed to find some dinner here. It's not much, but it should last me the night. I need it for the nutritional value. I think there is a spring on there. I'm not too sure, but it's worth a try to see if I can get water to fill my canteen up. These patches of grass here show that they're getting fresh water. Maybe if I dig deep enough, I may be able to find some. I'm going to use my walkie stick here as sort of a digging tool. I feel something. There it is. Fresh spring water, straight from the mountain, as you can see. I need to fill up my canteen here. It's important to stay hydrated at all times. Now then, since my canteen here is already full, it's important not to waste any water. So I'm just going to drink all of this spring water. Make sure I don't waste it, because I will never know when I'm going to get water again. I see just spilled it all over myself, so I'm just going to rub it all over me, so I can absorb the water through my pores. Now that my body's absorbed all the water, I feel hydrated and full of energy. I'm going to look around and get my bearings. I think I may see a snapple bush all the way over there. I'm going to head over there and check it out because I need something of nutritional value. I managed to find a snapple bush here. As you can see, These yellow flowers indicate that it's growing Snapple. These pods here, this is what they'll grow into a Snapple bottle. I'm gonna leave it here for somebody else when they get stranded. Here's a fully grown Snapple plant right here. As you can see, it's green tea flavored and it's made from the best stuff on earth. It's all natural. This is perfect. There seems to be a fact here in this bottle cap. It says, relative to the size, the tongue is the strongest muscle in the human body. You learn something new every day, kids. No! Here's my shelf that's been destroyed. I put it too close to the water. It was a rookie mistake. Looks like I have to build a new one. I started to work on a new shelter here. I already got some sticks and started putting in the ground because my old ones seem to have washed away. Took me twice as long to build this shelter as it did my last one. 10 minutes long. But as you can see, the weight and the strength of it was well worth it. This is 80 times better. I have a little bed right here and a nice little chopping block.
Hello? Anyone here? Got a call someone was missing. Needed help. Rescue. Hello? Anyone?
Ah!